Ever wonder how to start a business from scratch? It's a question that piques the curiosity of many, yet also brings with it a fair share of apprehension. You might be asking, where do I even begin? What steps do I need to take? Don't worry, we're here to quell those fears. This video will break down the process of starting a business into clear, manageable steps. So, are you ready to embark on your entrepreneurial journey? Every business starts with an idea, a solution to a problem or a unique product. This idea is the seed from which your business will grow. It's the first step in the journey of entrepreneurship. But how do we know if our idea is a game changer? How do we separate the wheat from the chaff? The answer is market research. Dive into your industry, understand your competition, identify your target audience, and evaluate the demand for your product or service. With market research, you can validate your business idea and determine its potential. You can identify gaps in the market, fine-tune your product or service, and tailor your business strategy. The idea phase is not just about having an idea, it's about refining it. It's about turning that spark of creativity into a viable business proposition. Remember, a solid idea is the foundation of your business. Scene script. Once your idea is in place, it's time to create a business plan. Imagine setting off on a journey without a map or a compass. You're likely to get lost, right? That's exactly what running a business without a plan is like. A business plan is your strategic guide, your map to success. It's a document that outlines your business goals and details how you plan to achieve them. Let's break it down. Your business plan should comprise several key components. First off, the executive summary. Think of this as your elevator pitch. It should concisely encapsulate what your business is all about. It's a snapshot of your business idea, your vision, and what makes you stand out in the market. Next, we have the company description. This is where you dive deeper into your business, describing what you do, who you serve, and what sets you apart from your competitors. Then comes the market analysis. Understand your industry, know your competitors, and identify your target market. It's about knowing where you fit in the grand scheme of things and how you can carve out your own niche. Organization and management is up next. This section outlines your business structure, introduces your team, and defines the roles of each team member. Remember, a well-organized team is a successful team. Moving along, we have the service or product line section. Here you detail what you're selling or what service you're offering. Be specific about how your products or services benefit your target market. Next, we have marketing and sales. This is your plan of action to attract and retain customers. It outlines your sales strategy and how you plan to promote your business. Finally, we have the financial projections. This is your chance to convince investors that your business is a viable financial risk. Include income and cash flow statements and balance sheets for the next 3 to 5 years. A well-structured business plan is your roadmap to success. So buckle up, plot your course, and get ready for an exciting journey in the world of business. With a plan in hand, you're ready to navigate the legal and financial aspects of starting a business. First things first, choosing a business structure. This decision influences everything from day-to-day operations to taxes to how much of your personal assets are at risk. You might opt for a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or perhaps a limited liability company or a corporation. Each structure has its own benefits and drawbacks, and it's crucial to choose the one that best fits your business needs. Next, you'll need to register your business. This typically involves registering your business name with the state government. Remember, your business name is more than just a label. It's a key part of your brand, so choose wisely. Now let's talk about the Employer Identification Number, or EIN. Think of it as a social security number for your business. It's required for corporations and partnerships and recommended for sole proprietors. You'll need it for tax purposes and to open a business bank account. Speaking of which, setting up a business bank account is a must. It's a great way to keep your personal and business finances separate and makes tax time much less of a headache. Plus, it adds an extra layer of professionalism when clients and customers make payments to your business instead of to you personally. And don't forget about permits and licenses. Depending on your business, you might need federal, state, or local permits to operate legally. From zoning permits to health department permits, make sure you're aware of what's required for your business. Understanding your business taxes is also key. Whether it's income tax, self-employment tax, or payroll tax, knowing what taxes you'll need to pay and when can save you from unpleasant surprises. Finally, securing funding. Depending on your business, you may need startup capital to get off the ground. Whether it's a small business loan, a grant, or an investment from a venture capitalist, there are plenty of options. Just remember, securing funding isn't free money. You'll need to pay it back, often with interest. Ensuring your business is legally compliant and financially secure from the start can save you a lot of headaches down the line. Now let's delve into the people aspect of your business. Building a strong team is one of the most critical steps in your entrepreneurial journey. It's not just about finding people who can do a job, it's about assembling a group who complement each other's skills, share your vision, and are ready to roll up their sleeves and get to work. Whether it's hiring employees, contracting freelancers, or seeking advisors, having the right people on board can significantly impact your business's success. Think about what skills and knowledge you lack and look for team members who can fill those gaps. Don't forget, a diverse team can bring a plethora of ideas, perspectives, and solutions that a homogeneous team might miss. And remember, everyone you bring on board should share your passion and drive, because a team that believes in the business is a team that will work hard to see it succeed. Remember, your team can be your greatest asset. With all the pieces in place, you're ready to launch your business? Imagine a rocket poised on the launch pad. The countdown has begun and the excitement is palpable. That's where you stand now. But remember, a successful liftoff is only the beginning of the journey. It's the initial burst of energy that propels you upwards, but it's the ongoing thrust that keeps you soaring. A strong launch is essential indeed. It sets the tone, creates the first impression, and generates initial momentum. But what comes after the launch is equally, if not more important. This is where your marketing efforts come into play. You need to continuously reach out to your target audience, keep them engaged, and build a loyal customer base. Running a business is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process of learning, adapting, and growing. The market is ever evolving, and so should your business. It's vital to stay on top of industry trends, customer preferences, and technological advancements. You need to constantly evaluate and tweak your business strategies, products, or services to stay competitive. Remember, there's no room for complacency in business. You need to be committed, proactive, and flexible. Embrace change, make informed decisions, and be ready to take calculated risks. Starting a business is just the beginning. Stay committed, stay flexible, and never stop learning. Your journey to success has only just begun.